bicycle we no get break. Hello, my people. Another day. Good evening, good morning, good night. Also, now they fine. I need to share this video, my people. Well, I know this side, they do something for this side. How now they? Also, now they fine. I just dey laugh. I just dey laugh. I just dey laugh. I just dey laugh. Wanna help me share this video, my people? As I join enter social media, I can't see say about with brother Mike. They don't make peace. I was like, okay, good. I was like, okay, good. You understand? But another thing I call the see say, oh my God, oh God. Abba don't carry my go meet Obaseki. Don't sell now. Now sell himself so because now no say that brother Mike they talk truth. What did they happen? They try to they let us know. About in and that kind of person we know they tell us what did they go on for that state. You know they tell us. You know what make people know what did they go on. What me I see for this one, eh? But they don't go. Oh God, oh, they don't go carry this our brother now. You know, can they show us anything again? Because how bad now that kind of person will be say, hey, how about no you? How about no you well? If they fight for a pocket. If they fight for a pocket, it's just that now wow. The thing I just weak for it. As I see the video, I was like, okay, good, so now make peace. But as you now be say you don't carry this our brother now we be say they tell us the truth as it be. They go come tell us say not on the show. You know now understand the way it they happen now. Not on the show and for live video, not on the tell people because otherwise people come they look Obaseki one kind. They don't say they walk, they do this one. Not be say maybe Obaseki they walk. Okay? It's just that people where they follow and they go. They don't want make them they tell Obaseki the truth. They know they work. Now those people, because Obaseki I not go just there for all everybody. You understand? No go know what they go on for this area. You know what they go on for the other area. How bad now? That kind of person where be say they tell people what they go on, but they show us that one. Brother Mike now. He be they show us now. But as far as say about time, he don't carry him, don't go, he don't carry him, go give governor. They go try now. All those people with those bad ones will not they show anything. They go come like they now understand. They praise the boy. May not come they show all those things for social media again. Because when I see this video, when I bat, they don't make peace. I can say okay, but when I can see say now they don't come they follow governor, you see, and I go come they praise Obaseki. Jesus, so why? I just pray me see they do it thing. Where see they do as it they do. Understand? Anyway, this video I go do am. I go record and do am tomorrow wella. So that, because as I just see, and the thing just wake me. I say, because Abat, I want no gbina yek no. Abat no care about the people where be say that they shout, they no see food eat, or they say road no good, water no dey, this one gbogbo. See, Abat no, you know, dey that one. Oh, wetin you want? Now to the protect Obaseki they go. You no want me anybody talk anything, even though say the thing na truth, but you no want me you talk about am. As far as say na Obaseki side na im dey. Na what for people shout before he comot for PDP throway dem. He come dey shout for wetin they call for Peter Obi. Abba shout. Peter Obi, obedient. Nah, they don't call now. Abba shout oh, sote. This video tomorrow now I go post am. Abba shout oh. You see, say those sides, not he come from that side. Then they say me come back. Come home, no worry, come this side. Because Abba no go Naija because if this one not there. If this one, they not give am, Abba no go leave the family, go Naija. Because during that time, not going to talk about Obaseki again. People, they talk about Obaseki, you know, they talk. Even though some people, they talk, say, you know, they do anything. If you now watch on that time, about Imagwan, you know, they talk anything. Because it dey vex for Obaseki. You understand? It dey vex for am say, as I shout reach, you win this election. The position where you supposed to give me, you not give me. Oh, wow. That our country, that's why it go better. I don't know when it go take better. Like all this kurukere. Me, I know this one. This one, I know this one. Now the country take they go. Now the country take they go. See about now, don't go carry this brother Mike where be say he dey talk truth. You don't carry am now. You go say me not come dey show all these things again for social media. No, we want to protect Obaseki. You know, good me we come dey show am, we come dey talk all these things. One of the watch and now see say this brother Mike now, you know, come dey talk about Obaseki again. Because Abba don't carry am comot. You know, come dey talk about her again. We never hear one thing where be say Abba talk about Obaseki. Like if people they talk say this Obaseki not do am well. Abba no go never talk about Obaseki wetin not do. Or now wetin maybe you know he go dey talk no Obaseki they try they do this one. He don't go talk about those one where be say never do. Now wow my people. Now wow, I just dey fear. The thing just shocked me for a second. That one, if they don't give am money now, it go change mind. You know, when they talk about all these things, you know, say our country now, if they work like that, not worry how much you need. We go there, you know, when they show people what they really they go on. Thank God for that road where be saying show that very day now. When you call upon Obaseki, come see this road though. Send your people come, make they come do this road. This road not good. People don't they get an accident for year. All their car don't destroy, you know. And the next day, they really go there, go repair that road. They really go there. Now, when be say, you go, they do all this video. If you see something like that now, you know, like show am. Because you know what may come offend Obaseki or offend Abat. You see? Now, watch out, my people. Now what? I just pray may still continue what it still they do. May not look even though say they want give her money because how bad not to eat money na day. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, my sister, I live video.
Hey, Mama. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, my sister. I hear. Ave ma, where you?
So I will say we just thank God.
That's all.
Oh.
I hear, my sister.
She not see us. Not see her bad life. Not see her. Those people wey dey Europe, those people in diaspora, if una no get sense for now, I will know say I no remove one, including me where they talk so.
Okay.
If una no get sense for now, I'm not sure say a lot of people will get sense again. Mona, listen, how bad come for last 4 years? He called Yuzuna. He's Yuzuna in 10 fine pocket. How bad enter us? How bad carry 2 of his brother? Whether na one boy, one day carry enter Europe. He carry his family, he carry enter Europe. How bad no come Europe, how bad no fit work. He buy ticket, go back home again. He won't go shop government money. Una, don't people wait there that bit of government money. Una not sabi the part on herself, una go follow the fight for that money. He go come still come, still on live video again, come still they tell una about Obaseki. Una will still clap and follow her again for the second time. How bad come? He go cash the Murphy. He cash a Mugu. He use the Murphy to market. He used tellers. He used many of the ways. They Europe. He used the that time. Take fight for a pocket. Money where government carry come and make the share. They don't see money for our chucking money. He won't come do it for the second time again. Mama, you know what he play for there?
No.
He see and say that boy platform big.
Yes.
How about na devil?
Yes.
A swabber to him. To start with now, that boy will fit see truth now. He will fit see any bad place now. Make it on that video, make it don't come again.
No, show again.
As far as say it don't work for Obaseki. Not be the good side go they show.
No,
government where you want to true work. If our back not be devil, because now devil will fit do that kind of this thing. If our back not be devil, you they show the good side of Obaseki. Let you they show the bad side, they show and make Obaseki for see make it for do Abba said no, say you don't want anybody show the bad side. Abba won't tell us who they Europe now say Obaseki na perfect man. Obaseki no get stain, Obaseki no they do anything. Obaseki just they right for everything way they do. Now Abba won't tell us. Since we Abba did this government, Abba never bring one error. Never bring one thing. Obaseki la wo. Do this thing for you people. This thing not good for you. Abba never do one. He never do one. Abba carry this boy, carry and come out. He go carry and go himself. The plan when they plan, so now I guess next year be election for Edo State. He won't use this one, they block way now say. See, I like for person where they be in they tell now. What is good for our country now? Me way be in they tell now, not going to believe me. Una not still believe people why again. Una not believe people why again when they tell now. You understand? How bad carry that boy? But he know say he don't fail. He don't fail. He be here. Nobody regard him again. Nobody record him. Even though he talk from heaven ahead, nobody will mind him again. Then make he go carry that boy. He go put her for front. He carry and go give her Obaseki.
Don't sell her.
And that boy now, he don't know say now death warrant is nine sign now. Death warrant. That boy will see good thing make him come again.
No, okay. Anytime.
If you see good thing, no greater come again. Me, I don't follow that kind of person. I believe now so thousands of people. Now so there will still be. If they see and say, they talk through again, because of Obaseki, everybody go knock her. They will remove this thing. They don't follow him again. Albert won't kill that boy market. If Albert don't see say that boy is shine, his star is shine. Albert go there. Won't go bring him down. That is Albert do the right way to. Albert na devil. Albert na devil. Mona listen. Albert will come out for been away, come off from Europe. He won't go fight for Benin. This camera where they carry up and down, who they carry ever since we have not be a Pastor no sir. Now Pastor no sir, they carry that one. Now the another one see they see daily bread. You say Abba don't come out, Abba don't go follow and drag her now. Abba don't collect her from me hand.
Oh wow.
They don't collect her from me hand. Abba not being collected foundation and bad foundation. Foundation not good though. Last, Abba don't come out because they do foundation. Abi?
When they do foundation, you're not the last.
When they come and say, now, CFO, when I come do CFO,
I don't want to
Abba fight that way. Fight that. Because say, now, I CFO, now you can see they do it. When I see the person, because when they make me just talk like this, I know, say, some do people, some, not be all of them, their mumu, you not go, you not come back. You not get part two. They go still clap, follow this useless boy. That's the way he calls Europe. He carry himself, go back. When I don't say something dead here. When I don't say something dead here. Who they do that one? Who go fit do that one? Where he go carry himself, go Europe. All the boys who are Europe, all the adult people who are Europe, they don't sabi it the government money. They don't sabi carry themselves go back. When they go fight for the money. They say na second Johnny I give him go back. Na second Johnny I will kill him back. The first one, he pass him free. This one are the second one. If he go now, he no fit return again. He don't know what he tell the place, so he don't know. To do politics for the first time upon everything what you do. Who are back no insult.
Nobody.
This person did go reach the president where they put now. Not be insult that one. Even our back after Osa. Now so about insult that man, insult show more level. What is this boy talk? This boy never talk anything now. Abba say he want that. If you don't know, you don't get sense now small picking the warrior. Even though see this Mike, this Uncle Mike, he pass on, he go brab on. Make this one not talk. Small picking they come tomorrow we go pick up back black and blue. Now social media we day. We go use that bat stay white ground. Where would you sow? Now you go reap. Everything you do, they front they wait you. You do and good though, you go receive one. You do bad though, you go receive one. Small begin they call where go JJ about. Waiting now, we go do about for this language. Waiting to one. About is something that one, that one page, about try that one page. That man not get better page again. About now, about to handle. Which place is that car? About follow. To anybody with that, anybody on a stone. Anybody when you go sit back after wait there London, where still join the do politics. When I say beat that one come out. He beat that one, come out. Nigeria was show he beat that come out. Which person never follow fight? Which person never follow fight? Or it's never why? You know why why was it? He not say not the fear. Say he too strong. Why you carry your wife and your pikin run come up for that country? Mama, if I insult her back for this live video, no verse for me. No verse.
No verse for you, my sister.
How bad don't pour insult for me there? Don't pour her. Now remember where about you. About no nothing way mouth no talk. He said people wait there Europe. Una no fit carry on a family. Una have spent 5 months. Una no fit carry out bad start to the insulting head, the insulting family. No insult. About not spend 5 months. About not fit walk. You know fit walk. Maybe walk with betters. May see as Europe be. Europe where everybody they run, they come. About run, come Europe, run, go back. Or you only a boy VP. No wonder. Or we go back by for see on a boy VP. Oh, boy VP of okay. Because no straight to walk. He won't go shop free money. Won't go shop. Why you can't say make the jackpot?
You said
why you say make the jackpot?
Don't be mad.
Just make everybody jackpot. How about you go jackpot go back? You don't fail. People don't know you. You don't see the way he used the people when he tells Europe mama that you don't see him. As he used them, Obaseki don't pay them, Abba collect that money. You don't see, I say they go and put on social media, Abba collect their money. Till today, Abba give that money back. No. Now you won't do to this boy, so this boy never know where they go. Now Abba's not girlfriend. He not girlfriend. Oh, your back. Oh, your back. Now let me want the back. And I be Abba. Oh, your back. Anybody. Boston carry am here, but you don't see the way they disgrace Boston. The way they do Boston.
What is do down? Why never?
Nobody. I never see this kind of human being for life before. When you say that you know pass everybody. He said now. He not nothing at the grace of God. Now he able to for that last 4 years where he passed. He won't see go for the second tenure now. You won't go see it because now only you buy don't money the sweet. You do you know how much where those people where they diaspora come they put for account how much account you know how much when they say they want to help the governor where they put so when they want to help governor they sit una they go construction they go fabric and go they work now come go they not money when I want to give government me I not journal me I not join that move because it was too much me I not journal because I know they throw away that money. You understand? Yeah. They thought they not money for Europe. They won't go give one. How about now? How about carry money in town? I don't know how many cars where I carry. I don't know how many cars where I carry. For 3. He carry 2 brothers home. He carry one for me. We have that for money. Get for the work. If you have to why better no, no, I thought politics today here and here. Just now,
no,
because it's such the first thing. Now
we need to
just look up at
don't carry our money.
They use our enemy. They use our enemy. They trade. Abba never open one live video. Me show say Obaseki many back go say me still talk to governor. He not there for Abba. Now bring me it. Now bad day. Abba come at Abba saying the support to be. Abba just support to be. No this don't wrong. It don't make me.
Is it say something not come out for that side? Now you wrong.
No. Greediness not good there. Mama, on what I get, they say people where. Here, we know here. Nana do a photo.
Okay.
Abati mana pick a photo near Begana. Give the wife no now. The wife no, you just pass. Now wife tell us say no. The last 4 years, you know say use the matter camo. Now so they not sleep so. Now so they use God find amo. Now so they won't kill amo. Now go here as sleep. Now this one is sleep. Maybe that one go see and say another election they come now. How about no one? You no more rest for campaign. If that one will go sharp and say you go carry me and pick it come out. They not be staying here. They don't go kill amo. Maybe that one go fire her and I make her go dump them. Oh me, you wanna be careful. We are working around. I don't know.
Encore à mieux, you can you know. On est fille vous. On est fille vous.
Just now, on est fille de no we are fille on you know keke you va bon et y because you can't kill that video again or hale so by you
when
you so make that transmit it if you guys see come or another person can't carry what not be batting what is bad is batting you too much. People pass sleep and they find it Europe. People care for this and they find it Europe. Abba still here to let you. Abba don't carry himself go. If now let that one, don't people more not think. More not see and say, don't you get inside here? Abba say now you now you put Obaseki for there. Now you put Obaseki for there.
Nobody feel talk to Obaseki.
Nobody fit talk. Anybody will just talk. Wait see, anybody will just talk. Who say make it talk? Make that person come in contact. How you go talk? You they talk to another person. You they talk to someone. You they talk to Tinubu. You they talk to everybody. This way they don't talk to you. He said when Mac want you start pay. Mac want you start collect money. Your social media money. How about you know they collect collect social media money.
See me, oh.
Now the mark, now me sorry for that platform they go down now. If that one not be careful. If that one not be careful, because not be everybody go crazy, not be everybody. Yeah, not correct. We know what it did. Now you know what day. He said full. He said case not be full forever. Abba say Abba don't confess full us last 4 years. Me I not join though because that last 4 years I not join. I not just like that boy way at all. The way they drag, the way they do, I not join at all. This second time of way Obaseki enter, me I not support you, and me I not the lie. I not just support because store where he go meet you, if he dey come, you go see him. If our back combat, he's using direct talk. Nobody go talk say no see that live video. Nobody go talk say no see that live. How bad don't on live video? As Obaseki, they do palace rich. How bad don't all live video what they make talk with for that matter. How bad ma kwajo? How do I tell my way of your back? Of your buy no party. How do I tell my way of your back? The governor of Guaguania. When I went to video, what put up on Guaguania, Obaseki Lago, why is your mama? Here you are going is too much. How about my word one day? People more go support, I want to go clap for them. Because now make him won't come to support that. Make go the chicken again. I do not go for
don't be lying.
Maybe the thing now, he go use like this boy now, this one boy now, he go use a chicken now, now go for put. Then they show you this thing now. When they want to now, they show now, when I go road, when I go see us every day. Everywhere good, now come and I come live video. They come and not see us, that one they swear for her. That one, Pastor Casey, that one not Debini. You don't see what they happen. That one they lie. That was still the lie for Obaseki. Now they are back the talk truth because everybody where they talk now. Where they talk about Obaseki.
Then they lie.
Now they are about the talk truth.
Now they are about the talk truth.
God bless you now. I'm gonna go for your hand again. Wanna go me cash na move again. Now so you go just pick the now. You go use the do market finish for Obaseki. You go still dump, they go still show you. You go see when they go still carry their money, go still carry. Una know how much we carry for the mafia and stainless and the rest people head. Una know how much. Una know how much. When stainless got the cry for live video. When we stainless got the war for live video.
No be lie.
We see everything now. Why I see everything now? We not be small picky for this live video. We know what it did.
Oh wow.
You understand? We know what it did. Now basically I will tell mama, make mama vote for. Now you will vote for. Now basically I tell my family when we vote for, now you will vote for. Do you understand?
No, it's not so. Not so.
When I go see Akpe, Akpe full everywhere now. They don't see Akpe not taking. They don't see Akpe not taking. Not the 8 years Obaseki do so. Not the second ten of this. You know come out. They don't say they don't want Godfatherity. Not the Godfatherity they call so. We can look them. We can look them. Abba come be trouble. Abba say oh someone not be Bini. You know fit join Bini oh. You know fit join. Yes, it is the barrel. Yes, it is the barrel. You do have come here to them here. What on the no malabu wa. Oh someone like you don't know. Oh no you don't know here. Oh they cannot back to you. Boy no no boy no the mic no no boy you do. Oh we go bet here. Oh we go. You don't go to this one for you. Abba now racist down. You carry your family, you carry you carry UK. If they can't drive your family, say they don't need to lie. You go your country. What did you go talk? Chabali see whoever come back. If every day you're not work for you, Obazee. When you go for talk, say that money matter. Now I tell you right. You know what? Someone that can't talk to a boy for a real bad thing. Can't talk to a boy. You know we are doing. Yeah, he was doing it. He was. But what will it? No, this kind of thing happen for Lagos, mama.
I know.
This kind of thing happen for Lagos. When people call them, people call the following people they fight, they go their state. When una give them prayer for them, make them go. I'm not going to give them. Simple as ABC. Go on, give them the prayer for this one, make them go their state. May they go from their state, may they go from their country. We are going to give them. This one not one day. Now bad what carry company. Now bad what carry company now. This devil is now. I cannot read now. How bad cause UK. UK everywhere is scattered. How about they insult everybody? Now so they're not responsible. Now so they're not this one. Now so they're not do that one. How about go carry camera? Yes, now go the show road. Wanna see road. Wanna see my speaking school. Wanna see this one. How about how many you don't show us for Benin? Since when you reach Benin, how many roads you don't show?
No, not the show.
Esu. You think say you want you people where you go feel full, now you go full. This matter where come and show. He know now. I want to tell you, mama. I want to live video. About that, wait. I want to live. About that, I want to go here get it back. I want to video political platform. I'm political. What's supporting you back? Or you go by your support me. Back one. Or you go back to here at all. You're not going to rob you. You're not going to hear the platform. Yeah, he pay. I say, I'm not going to bet the boy. I'm not going to bet. I'm not going to only more give a face. Only no one here. Only say that. You go up be a Facebook now. Let me go bed now. I'll be small picking. He better carry that one. That one, Obaseki even know that one, mama. Obaseki know that one before I
don't know now. Who
talks here, Obaseki know they watch social media.
They watch.
Now, that person they like. Now, that person they like. I said, just here, not be that boy if you agree before you greet about. We watch everything now. Now, that boy, now if you agree before you greet back now. Because you know, see that boy, they watch social media now. You know, say anything that concern social media, Obaseki they wrong.
Yes.
He they know, you know, say social media, you know. Now, social media, I put out for the second panel. That boy, the whole ground now. The whole ground. Now, you can have about him, you know, now, mama. How about you, you know?
Yeah, go on. I'll go here back to second.
Oh, mama, you want to move your car, not to regret those things.
See, voila. Now, wow. We there yet? Wow. Don't be like.
Yes, mama. Because now people will go feed it. If you don't treat them finish, all those platform. Now we still get on our platform. We want to see help people will not still be educated.
Yes.
We want to see
Not true. You don't get strength, not there. Okay, economics.
When the dad here, when politics now, when you have wait, one of the one with the liver.
It does sense.
With the liver for last 1 year, only you want to eat money. When this one with the dad here, we are back to talk, we go talk 20. We are here about politics now. I want back to collect. Nobody will live for this one with the thing. Yeah, let that boy go. I like to stand. She will come from Europe. Europe na Balonari. Okay, people will get it. They don't have to shop the money. Now you won't come.
Wow.
Hey. Yeah, I never see this kind of thing for life before. If not, let one back don't hero. He don't fail. He don't fuck up.
You say make them jackba. Make them jackba. You can't call jackba go Nigeria again.
Mommy say you get paper now you go back. You never get paper, you never do anything. You just go back because of money.
You go.
If something come happen tomorrow, come on, wait till you go talk.
That one not tell. People like that, yeah, not tell.
They too lack money. No money no go kill them. Here is a woo bamigo. Or too much pay. It's bad. At least God don't still bless you for that first time. Manage that one. Yeah, but you still let another person eat.
Yes, sir.
Anybody not want you, anybody not want you, but would you feel say it will work for you? People ready for you for this second time. If you talk one, they will talk 20. Not be politics. As you get the doorstep now, so we get not be only you want get
no, not be only you want. Thank you, my sister. Good night.
Okay.
Now, wow, my people. Wow. Tomorrow now I go do the video. I go analyze and well. I go analyze and well. I will show the video for those people where be say they never see and we still there for YouTube. Abba don't go sell brother Mike. You don't go sell her. That one not can they show anything, not can they talk anything again. Because when they don't give them money, na they don't finish. The way Abba say they do now, na so you go continue they do. Because Abba not go show us anything we no good. Now something where be say now that you know they show this like road way not good. Now so accident they and it happen for there. You know they show. We go say no. Obaseki is trying. I will see you now tomorrow, my people. Now good night. Thank you for being here while I was say. Voila.